Hey, Mark Nelson from MarkNelsonOnline.com. Today I want to talk to something really special, and you need to stop doing this. Today is the day before high school starts, where I teach. And I'm teaching on some new classes, but today was the day freshmen came in. It was just unstinking believable because they're so excited. But at the same time, it's just unbelievable how much low self-esteem these kids have. So I want to talk to you if you're building a business or you're starting something new, this is what you have to stop. What we're doing, hey, Will, how are you doing? What we're doing is something unbelievable and something that everybody can achieve if you just keep learning and keep growing. But the thing you need to stop is you need to stop beating yourself up. I mean, I want to be a multimillionaire. I want to make 7 figures a month or 7 figures a year, 6 figures. Am I there? No. But am I beating myself up? There's moments of it. But it doesn't do you one bit of good. See, because everything you've done, you've grown yourself just a little bit. So keep growing, right? But as soon as we start beating ourselves up and start saying, oh man, I'm not going to do that. You know what happens? This is more of a machine than any of us know. And when all of a sudden we start telling ourselves that we're not going to accomplish our goals, we start believing it. So you have to start continually telling yourself you're on the right track. You're growing. But again, if you've been at this for a while, if you've been building a business a while, think back of where you come from. Think back of what you know. Right, and what you've learned. The challenge is, right, if you are learning something and you're not sharing it with something, that is wrong. You need to be sharing what you learn. People know and need to know things from you. They want to hear your opinion. They want to see what you have going on. People want to hear from you. So as you're learning, make sure you share it. Get on social media, do a Facebook story, do an Instagram story, and share what you are learning. Right? And if you're not doing that, that is, you're being kind of selfish. Because I tell you what, as I share, I keep learning. Because I keep learning what is happening and what people need to know. As I keep sharing out, I'm teaching myself more than them teaching me. See, and this year it's really amazing. I changed to a new school. I'm back to high school. I'm so excited. I'm a math teacher, and I've always taught algebra. Well, now they put me into geometry. And to tell you the truth, that wasn't my favorite subject, but I'm learning geometry. And as I teach it, I learn more geometry. Hey, Mike Wyatt, how's your school going? So the idea of this whole thing, we are doing something unstinking believable. You're building your life. So here's the goal for you today. I want you to go learn something today. Whether your business is network marketing, whether it's health and wellness, go learn something today. And then teach it. Share what you've learned. So here's what I'd like you to do today. I put together a free PDF at MarkNelsonOnline/6 daily steps. MarkNelsonOnline/6 daily steps. And what I do, I take you through the 6 daily activities you need to be doing to grow your business. I even put a checklist together that you can grab and download it to help you out in your journey. So hey, you take care. 1, stop beating yourself up. Go learn something today and share it. You take care. Bye.